I'm going to show you a very easy and simple project that you can build, and the only power tool you need is a drill. And once you build it, everyone will want it. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a 2x4. This is like 20 inches long, but it doesn't matter because we're going to cut it to like 4 or 5 inches anyway. There's multiple different ways you can cut this. You can use a jigsaw, or you can use a handsaw, or you can use a miter saw. I'm going to be using the miter saw. So take your straight edge and measure 4 inches. And now do 1.5 inches and 2 inches. So this is 1.5 inch. From here to here, it's 1.5 inches. And from here to this line, it's 2 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut right here. And now cut between these two lines right here. So cut right here and right here. You can use a handsaw for this, or you can use a bandsaw, whatever you want. And now take a chisel and chisel this piece out right here. And now grab your straight edge and make an X right here. And take your drill bit and drill right here in the center. And now just grab some sandpaper and sand it down. Alright, this is done now. You can paint it or stain it in whatever color you want. And before I show you what it does, make sure to like and subscribe. So what this does is, it's a phone holder, but it can also amplify the sound. So let me show you. I was not messing around with the audio on the phone or anything like that. This actually works, and you can try it for yourself. So that's it for this video. I built other projects like this too, so make sure to check them out and like and subscribe for more videos.